Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my pet sitting weekend because I am I'm gonna babysit. He's like checking out my room still. I'm gonna babysit this little cutie. He's a chug, so a Chihuahua and Pug mix. He's so sweet. He's my neighbor's dog, so I'm gonna babysit him for the weekend, and I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me, and you guys can see how I do. This is my first time pet sitting. I've had 3 dogs in my life, and I've had 2 bunnies and 4 squirrels, so I think I can handle this. He actually has played with my bunnies before, so that's gonna be fun. He's like super tiny. So I just got him like not even 10 minutes ago. So I'm gonna try and set everything up, get him all situated, and then I will update you guys in a little bit. So we just let my dog kind of meet Lupe. My dog's bigger and Lupe's only a couple months old. So like my dog's 9, but here's Lupe. But he's kind of bigger, not real big. You guys have seen him, but it's hard to see like on camera how big he is. But we're gonna put his leash and harness on, and we're gonna take them both for like a little walk. I'm not sure how you put this on. Lupe. I think it's like this. There. No, it's not. You're so much tinier. Wait, is it like that? Lupe, I'm confused. Can you help me out here, buddy? Okay. I think you do go through this. Wait, maybe not. I don't know how to put on such a tiny harness. My dog's bigger, so he has like that snap one. Oh, okay. I think we got it. My neighbor said when you put clothes on him, he snaps sometimes because he doesn't like clothes, but he's not snapping with this harness, so maybe he likes it. I think he needs a bigger size though, because he's getting bigger. So she said he doesn't really like to go on walks, but we're gonna try it so they can get to know each other, and also so my dog can kind of teach Lupe how to go for a walk like big boy. Right, Loops? This is much different than I'm used to. Okay. Get your leash. Lupe does not want to walk. Come on, Lupe. Come on. Come on, Lupe. You got this. You got this. Come on. Come on. You want to run? Let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Oh, you need me to carry you. So Lupe stole my remote and he put on a Chihuahua movie. So we're watching a Chihuahua movie. It's called Chihuahua 2, T-O-O. With an exclamation point. He's being so cute. He keeps looking at me. I've never watched this movie. I don't even know what it's about. Lupe put it on. He's so sweet. I want him. I don't think I'm gonna give him back.
This is just like our family road trips.
I'm trying to edit, but Lupe to watch a movie, so that's what we're doing. Aren't we, Loops? His tongue is too big for his mouth, so it's always hanging out. It's so funny. Okay, so we just finished the movie. Lupe fell asleep, he just woke up. It was not very good. Very bad acting. Not something I would like recommend, but or watch again, but it wasn't that bad. But very, very bad acting. Lupe's just sleeping. I think we're gonna go to Starbucks in a minute because we both need coffee, don't we, Lupe? Don't we? His little tongue is so cute. Okay, well, I need to edit and then also go to Starbucks. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so me and Lupe are sitting on the porch. I am about to edit. Lupe's... What are you doing, buddy? He's just chilling. So adorable. Oh, yeah, I'm about to edit tomorrow's video. And I got Kool-Aid with all of these plants. So that is what's up. Okay, so I decided to give Lupe a bath because he's got something sticking on the back of his neck. I don't know what it is. And also because I can give him a bath in the sink because he's so tiny. And I haven't done that in like 9 years. So I'm going to go give him a bath.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub. Thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, I put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rolling and a strolling. Yeah! Well, bing bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my front room rug. Yeah, the flipper-flopper, they was doing the bop. All the teens had the dancing bug. There was a lollipop with a Peggy Sue. Good golly, Miss Molly was even there too. Well, splish splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on. Yeah, I was splashing and a splash, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rolling and a strolling. Splishing and a splashing, oh yeah, was a rolling and a strolling. Woo, he was a moving and a grooving, hot, moving and a grooving. Yeah, 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 reeling with the feeling, splishing, splashing. Yeah, I was a splishing and a splashing. Yeah, a splishing and a splashing. Woo, was a splishing and a splashing.
We're about to go to Starbucks and then I guess we're gonna go back home. So this little cutie is all packed up and ready to go. He's got a bath and his clothes on. He's so stinking adorable. Oh, thank the Lord we are moving.
Don't forget the cups.
Oh, I gotta take. Hi, I have a mobile order for Rachel.
What's the name on the mobile?
Rachel?
Yeah, the window.
Okay, thank you.
Guess for cappuccinos.
I asked that because they always say just pull forward.
Circle of life.
Why sometimes does a car make noise like that, but other times it's completely silent?
Because when it's charging, it sounds like that. Or maybe vice versa. When it's not charging.
His hair is greasy.
The circle of life.
Look at him. He's so cute. There's Matt. This is copyrighted. I'll just cut it out. Mom's playing the Circle of Life. As for the puppy pups, too good, man.
It's adorable.
Thank you. Can I get 2 puppuccinos as well? That's mine. This one's mine. No, it's not mine. Can you put it open on it? Where's Josh got popped? He's like, where is mine?
He's wanting one too.
Here's number 1 for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
I'll hold Chester's. Alright, just pull up and let him eat it. Okay, stop.
I checked.
I thought you were just gonna stop and let him do it there.
Oh no, I was gonna pull into his space. This is the same spot I park in every single time I come out of this drive.
Fruit balls on that tree.
I wonder if this is his first cappuccino. This is too big for such a little puppy. Can you mix this? Thanks, Mom. And we are back.
What is that?
It's my refill. She didn't give me whipped cream and then didn't hear me, so I don't even care.
Yeah, no biggie. You can pour it in this cup. It has all the whippity whip it.
Good idea. Would you like to do that for me? Nobody even seen Lupe. He was sneaky.
Chester's puppy.
Oh, that's good.
That means we did a good job.
Kind of.
There's a trivia thing in it.
Yeah, I do need it.
Just stick it in the hole.
Stick it in the hole. What are you doing, Loopy? I keep saying Loopy or Lupus. Never calling you Lupe, baby. Okay. Did you want to wait for your refill or no? Okay, that's no. You ain't getting a refill. You got 3 seconds to claim your refill. Do you want it or do you not? Do you want it? Where's my straw?
I don't know. What do I
You
look
took.
like?
Oh wait, no, I took it. That's good. Okay, let's do this. We got this. What is that? You're gonna have to hold that. You took my wallet spot.
That's your coffee. The other half of your coffee.
Yeah. Stop sign, no cars, let's go. Okay, so we are heading to my grandma's house. We picked up my little brother. Me and Mom switched seats. And Lupe's just chilling still. He's such a sweetheart. But yeah, we're heading to my grandma's, which is like 15-20 minutes from my house, so we'll see you guys in a little bit, because looking at this camera is gonna make me sick, because I get sick if I'm doing anything in a passenger seat or back seat unless I'm driving. I'm gonna get sick. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so just got home with Lupe. We were at my grandma's house. Gotta feed him real quick. So I got his food out of the fridge. Oh, we're not gonna eat it out there. Come on, we're gonna fill up your bowl here. He's so hungry. Gotta let him finish his food, wait for it to digest, and then take him to use the bathroom. Okay.
while he eats. I'm gonna go take a shower, get ready for bed because it's late. I'm tired. So I will see you guys in a little bit. This is a little area I set up for Lupe. He doesn't want to be in here. I hope he doesn't whine through the night. So I have his pee pad, his food and water bowls, which he has water. He finished his food. He's got half a bone left. It's like a dental bone, they're like chewy. His toy, his bed, and he carried a clothespin in here. But I took like the metal part off because he was going all over my room looking for it after I took it. So we're gonna have a little bit of bonding time before we go to bed. But that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll be filming tomorrow and Sunday too. But yeah, that's all for tonight. And I will see you guys in the morning. I need to take him outside, see if he's gonna use the bathroom. I believe the first thing that's in order is to get Lupe dressed today. Got this cute little shirt for him. He's such a sweetheart. Lupe! Lupe, come here. We haven't made our bed yet, have we, Lupe? What do you think you're doing? He doesn't like clothes. Oh, I got your boy. Oh, I got him. Oh, don't you growl. Don't you dare. Here we go. Oh, my word. Look at this cutie pie. He's so cute. Now we go get your breakfast. Hey guys, so pup date. We both ate breakfast and he's been a sweet little angel. We got up kind of earlier this morning. Having a puppy in the house really makes you get up early because normally I like to sleep in like 9:30 or 10 on Saturdays. But I got up at 8:30. No, it was actually like 8:15, I think. Because he had to go potty. Then we went back upstairs and kind of just sat on the bed for a little while. We ate breakfast. He's been playing. So last night, he would not stop whining whenever I had him in his little pen. So he came and slept in my bed last night. It was so cute. He stayed in the same place on a pillow right next to me. It was so adorable. And like, I don't know if I've even really showed it yet, but this is like his little pen. And he had his bed in here earlier. We just got like that little door right there. And it's pretty big. But I've been keeping his bed, his food and water and a pee pad in there. But he whines every time I put him in there. So I've been taking him like everywhere I go. I might go get coffee later. We might go get a coffee together later like we did yesterday because that was a lot of fun. But I'm not sure. I kind of feel like getting dressed up, and I thought it'd actually be really cute if I matched him. He's got this cute little shirt on. You're so stinking cute. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to match him, but I don't know if I will. I don't even know if I own anything like a red dress because I want to wear a dress. I just really like wearing dresses lately. I've always liked dresses. I just could never find anything that really fit my style. But I've kind of found some lately, but I don't have any red dresses, I don't think. I'd have to look in my closet, but I don't think I do. So I might just have to match these blue stars. But yeah, that's our pup date, and we will see you guys next time we have something to share with you. Okay, so I just took a shower because I need to wash my hair, and this is what I came back to. He made a bed for himself out of this blanket I left on my floor. And he's just curled up, and it is so stinking cute. I love this puppy. Today is like basically our last day because she is picking him up tomorrow afternoon, and I think it's just gonna be like half day tomorrow. Or I don't know if it's even in the afternoon, like I don't even know, but I know it's supposed to be a half day, like not a full day or whatever, if that makes any sense. But this is like our last day together basically, and I don't think I'm gonna give him back. Hey guys, so pup date. Me and Lupe are going to Starbucks. And Lupe's downstairs with my mom right now. I'm just turning off my lights and grabbing shoes. But we're going to Starbucks. And I lost my shoes. But yeah, we'll talk to you whenever we get to Starbucks. Hey guys, so me and Lupe went to Starbucks. I left my camera at home on accident, and so I didn't film any of that. But me and Lupe have been watching a movie with the family, but they paused it, so I thought I'd give you guys a little pup date. And Lupe's been like sleeping the entire movie. He's super sweet. Really love this puppy. Don't think I'm gonna give him back tomorrow. But yeah, we went to Starbucks. I got a guava passion fruit. I normally get a coffee, but I just felt like it was a little too late. It wasn't late, but like I try not to drink coffee after like 3:30 or 4, just because I feel like it's been keeping me up lately. And I just didn't really feel like coffee for some reason. I don't always feel like having a coffee like from Starbucks, just because, I don't know, I have my reasons. But yeah, I got a tea like refresher type thing, which was really good. It tastes like their guava tea that I normally get, but it has like coconut milk in it or something, and it's really good. And I had like a free drink on there, so I just got a venti, and Lupe got a cappuccino. So we're gonna go finish the movie and then go to bed, and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so we have been so busy this morning, we haven't got a chance to give you guys a pup date. But Lupe woke up with me at like 8:30, and we went outside and went to the bathroom, and then he ate his breakfast, and I got him dressed, and I gotta go to church now, so I will see you guys in a little bit. Lupe. So we're back, and we unfortunately have to part very soon. I'm so sad because I love this puppy so much. So unfortunately, that's the end of this vlog. If you like this video and stay till this point, comment Chug, because he is a Chihuahua Pug mix, so Chug. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!